Yep. Put your back. Come home.
You said there are plans to appeal.
Yes.
Said that very openly in court. How so and why?
Well, we believe that the judge made some evidentiary errors during the course of the trial that are going to require a reversal on appeal. Tyler maintains his innocence. He maintained his innocence throughout the trial. He's got no recollection of the event. We feel the forensic evidence supports the fact that he's innocent. No DNA at all on any of the surfaces that the driver would have had to touch. And we think the jury got it wrong, so we're going to go to an appellate court and see what they say.
To be clear, you still believe someone else was driving the vehicle?
Well, I believe that the district attorney's office has failed to produce legally sufficient evidence that Tyler was driving. I mean, I wasn't there, obviously. Tyler doesn't remember it, but the proof that the district attorney's office put before the jury, in our opinion, was insufficient to support a conviction. So,
the circumstances of some of the, and it was circumstantial proof, but his past driving history, things like that, seem to really indicate that maybe a greater role for him.
The past driving history, I mean, that wasn't part of the trial. The district attorney brought that up at the time of sentencing, but that's not something that the jury heard. That's not something that the jury considered. That's not something that was really relevant as far as trying to determine who was driving that night. So, by the same token, the judge excluded a lot of evidence that would have rebutted some of the district attorney's proof. And, we thought we should have been allowed to get into it. We respect the judge's decision. Obviously, we'll wait and see what the appellate court has to say.
Any specifics on that now that we're well past trial?
No, I mean we made a filing with the court at the time of the trial. We made a motion to set aside the verdict afterwards, and we'll wait to make those arguments when we get to the appellate court.
Based on the previous DNA evidence, I know that was found on the steering wheel. Do you believe that Cody McDermott was the one that was driving?
Well, again, I'm not going to put my personal opinion in this. I mean, I think that when you look at the forensic evidence, there is no forensic evidence that Tyler was driving.